Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Brahster here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to change the color of any logo. Check it out. We also got For Honor right here. Yo, before I get started, just want to say if you're looking for tutorials on how to create YouTube content from thumbnails to videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification so you don't miss another upload, because I'll be teaching you guys how to edit and how to do thumbnails for your videos. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna create a new file. We're gonna go to File, New, and we're not gonna worry too much about this because we're just messing around with the logo. We're gonna hit Create. Alright, so after we set up our project, we're gonna look for a logo online. What I do is I type in on Google, for example, Fortnite original logo PNG at the end. Very important that you put PNG because you're gonna get a logo without a background, like this. Now when you go on save, you gotta make sure that it's not a web file, because if it's that, it's not gonna import in Photoshop. It has to be a JPEG or a PNG, like this PNG image. That's good. Same thing for Honor. I will go up here and put For Honor PNG, and we get this. We'll save it. Make sure it's a PNG image. Save. Now I'm gonna go and find my logo. Alright, so next step will be to drop your logo in Photoshop. There we go. Alright, yo, so we're starting with For Honor. We're gonna select the logo by holding Control and clicking over here in the layers window. See how you get a little square thing with the little lines? Click that and it's gonna select the whole logo since it's a PNG. Then we're gonna go ahead and mask the logo. We're gonna go down to the layers window, and down here is a mask icon. Hit it and the logo's masked. We're gonna hide the background so we see transparent, and there we go, we see the logo's masked. Now that the logo's masked, we're gonna go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. We're gonna put saturation minus 100, and we're gonna put lightness plus 100, and we're gonna get a nice white For Honor logo. Now that we have the white For Honor logo, we're gonna go ahead to Layer Styles by going to the layer window and double clicking on the layer that you want to put the styles on. The Layer Styles window pops up. Now we're gonna add a stroke. Oh, look, check it out. The logo didn't get selected right, so we get this ugliness around here that we're gonna fix up right now. We're gonna hit OK, and we're gonna go ahead and fix up the logo. We're gonna go to the layer window. We're gonna hold Control like last time, and we're gonna click on the logo layer so it selects the logo. Then we're gonna go up to select. Then we're gonna go to inverse, and we're gonna hit that. So it's gonna inverse our selection. Then we're gonna go back to the layer window, and we're gonna select the mask. Then we're gonna go to the brush tool. We're gonna select it. We're gonna make sure that it's black down here, and we're gonna draw all the ugliness away. Make sure you click a lot. And there we go. Now we could go back to the layers window, double click on the For Honor logo to bring up the layer style, and we're gonna add a gradient. There we go. And a drop shadow if we wanted to. Whatever. See, it's done. We can switch up the color to anything now. For example, let's say if I want to make it Red. There it is. Green. We could even put a gradient on it. Switch it. Could switch it up here. See that? We can put any color we want. So there it is. That's For Honor logo. Color changed and everything. Now we're gonna do the Fortnite one. Alright, yo. For you guys, Fortnite players is a little bit harder. I got this logo for the mobile Fortnite thing. And for this one, you're gonna have to select a few things separately. For example, you gotta select. This is me. I already selected everything here, but yeah, I'm not gonna teach you guys how to select things in this tutorial. If you want, I'll make another tutorial on how to select things. But to make this logo whatever color you want, you gotta select things separately. For example, I selected the Fortnite by itself. I separated Battle Royale in another layer. I separated the border and the background. And from there, I go to layer window, double click to bring up the layer styles, and I could change the color and even put a little stroke on everything. See that? Then I go to the second letters one and I double click it in the layers window to bring up the layer style. I put a color overlay on it and then a stroke and then the drop shadow. Boom. We got the letters with colors. Now the background. Let's see. Fortnite, nope. On the layer styles I go and I click on the little eye button to find the layer I'm looking for. So it's not this one. It's not this one. Not this one. Here for the background. I'm gonna double click to bring up the layer styles. And yeah, let's put a gradient on it. On the style right here, let's change it to linear. Here we go. Let's put a stroke. A colorful stroke. In the fill style, let's say you want to put a gradient in the fill style, you go gradient. And right here we put the whatever color we want on the outside. Stroke. Yeah. Then we put a drop shadow. I like that. We could kind of switch up their logo. So whatever, I know the color scheme is not the best, but this is ideally what I do to switch up the colors of any logo that I find on Google. Just make sure it's gotta be a PNG. And yeah, if you enjoyed the tutorial, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification so you don't miss another tutorial. This has been Brahster. It's been nice, and peace.
Look alive, single file in a line that copy mine. Like a mine, how many times, how many of your lines are mine? Like swan for the mind, stop the grind of repeating lies, crooks halfway into mine. Sees assassination ties with the trail in they eyes past, striving to survive. I'm overcoming, elevating, rising to a place past motivation, contemplation of creation, accept